So you've just got Mailster downloaded and ready to install on your WordPress site. Here's how to install, activate, and run the welcome wizard to get you started. We'll show you how to upload Mailster to your site, activate your license, and finally run the setup wizard to make Mailster fully yours. In your WordPress backend, go to Plugins, add New Plugin. Then click on Upload Plugin and find the Mailster zip file. Click on Install Now and wait until the file has been uploaded to your site. Activate the plugin to get to the license activation screen. Enter your license key. Choose Yes if you like to receive updates about features and offers by mail, and click on Activate License to finish this step. Now that you have successfully activated your license, let's take a look at the Welcome Wizard to finish your personal Mailster setup. Start the wizard and enter your business details like name, homepage, and your physical address. Select a logo you like to use in your newsletters. Click on Next Step. Enter your details for your email campaigns, which will be used by default. Choose an email address you like to use to send your campaigns from, and a reply to address, which is used if people click on the reply button in their email program. Mailster can track opens and clicks as well, the location of your subscribers. Next is the newsletter homepage. This page offers a central place where your users can subscribe, update, and cancel their subscriptions. Depending on your actual website, the preview may look different on your end. You can edit or preview these pages here, but for now we use the default settings. In the next step, you can choose how your campaigns will look like. Select one of the available templates and click Next. Now you can decide how Mailster will send your emails. While we do recommend to use a professional email provider, we use the simple method for now. Great! You have now finished the required steps to start with your email marketing journey. To learn more about how to use Mailster, subscribe to the Mailster Academy YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.